Hey everybody, it's Coach AG checking in with you once again with this orientation one-on-one. Hey, just want to commend you all for your hard work so far in this semester during this pandemic. In Cougar Nation, you're doing great. But I want to caution you that we need to go ahead and complete any assignments that you have not completed so far. Okay. Those assignments that you do not complete will turn to zeros. Okay. And they will negatively have an impact on your grade. So what I need you to do right now is give me that last push of complete the assignment so that you can continue to gain the best knowledge that you can so that you could be successful for these 2 years, your remaining 1 year, and in subsequent life. So as you continue to go on, it is our goal that this orientation course provides you with the skills that can transcend this community college. But we have to start first with completing the assignments and your online participation. So I want to encourage you one more time to continue to do the activities. Take your time, take a deep breath, and you got it. You're in control. Don't fret. Keep pushing. You can do it. Shout out to Freshman Academy 101. I want y'all to keep going. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. My email is the letter E. Last name is AGEE. That's two E's, EAG at lawsonstate.edu. You may want to follow me on Instagram if you got any questions or if your phone is just easier to get to. And I'm at Strategy Fitness on IG. So that's at Strategy Fitness. You see it right here, Strategy Fitness on IG. Hey, reach out to me. Let me know if you got any questions or concerns. I'll see y'all soon. I look forward to grading some of your responses, your automatic grades. Hey, the power's in your hands. Thanks.